It started off really fun. Mr. Comfort came down at the end of the school year 2 years ago and said, okay guys, so we have to box everything up.
Last summer, we got new ceilings, new lights.
We got new air conditioning, new vents. They came through during the school year, painted the entire hallway with the new branding with the purple and gold.
And then we also got new teacher desks, new teacher chairs, new student desks, new student chairs. So it really gave the whole building such a facelift. It made everything seem more cohesive. I feel like the process was, they made it pretty smooth for us.
Once they got all of that finished up, then we were like, great. We hadn't seen renovations in a while, so we were like, we're done for a while. And then he literally came down the end of last year and goes, okay, we get to box it all up again.
When we heard we had to box up again, we were like, oh no. But I would say that was worth it.
Basically, they came through and redid the entire floor.
They were pretty run down.
It was like dirty red and white floors.
We were Wildcats, so we were red and white.
There was Wildcat stuff everywhere.
In the lobby when you first entered, there was a big Wildcat on the floors.
And then the district came through and said, we're rebranding everybody's Royals. Everything was purple and gold. It took a while, but we're all matching now, so it looks good.
All the classrooms got new floors, the hallways. It just made everything look so nice. Everything was like more of a fresh start, I guess. It tied everything together.
So we didn't get a chance to see it until the very first day of school. And we walked in, it looked amazing.
We came back to school and I'm like, oh my gosh, we have new everything.
Every kid noticed when they were walking in, they were kind of like looking around, like looking at the ceiling, looking at the ground, going, wow, this is amazing. But I think the biggest change was in the gymnasium where they put in a new gym floor. We had like the old tile floors that were cracked and they were different colors from years of being replaced. So the new gym floor is like this great rubberized surface and it's all color coded and matched and everything else.
It actually looks like a gym floor. There's a nice big Royal sign in the middle of the floor.
And the kids were like in awe because that's where we line up in the morning. So they kind of spent a lot of time in there. And I think that was the spot where they were like, really impressed the most was inside the gym.
For us, we love the teachers, we love looking around and seeing how much of a facelift it gives everything, but then it also really helps the students to be proud of where they go to school.
You represent your school. When people see you walk into your school, they think, oh, your school is very nice, clean, decorative. Westbrook Park Elementary School, they're representing Upper Darby School District.